If you start driving, you want to hit turbo, don't you?
Yeah, turbocharge.
So what is Lyft bonus turbo?
You guys have this shit? Man, I got it from Boston. I got it
I
from
have a
Florida.
turbo, but it's in my car and it goes.
No, this is turbocharged earnings, bro. It goes
You know
hot
what?
work. Yeah, this is you guys have this? I don't have it in LA. I'm like
I
a
haven't seen
yesterday's
this.
stepchild with Lyft anyway. I don't get anything.
I haven't seen this. No.
No? Okay. So good. Let's see. We're not only bad. This is good. I like this, I guess. Yeah. So it says check the weekly planner. Earn more on every ride when turbo is active. This is like the, we're like
Turbo.
a little race car. Turn on the nitrous bottle.
Yeah.
And
Did you ever see the movie Wreck-It Ralph?
Yeah. Well,
like the main bad guy in it. Not Ralph, but he's the anti-hero, but the main bad guy is Turbo. So every time I hear Turbo, that's what I'm thinking, because my kids watch that movie all the time, and it's just like, what the hell is going on with this? Come on.
Well, I don't know. I mean, look, they have departments at these companies, Chris, marketing departments and shit. They research it, like what wordage or what verbiage we can put on these incentives that will hit a nerve with the community. Turbo, yeah, I think turbo is I think it makes sense, right? So it goes.
It helps you plan your day better.
Yeah. So look, we're always suggesting whenever incentives show up, you got to work those hours. Forget about this freedom flexibility bullshit. It doesn't exist. You got to work when and where there is demand. Now, if you don't know that by now, and don't complain if you're not making money. Number two, look, these are available to people. Some hours is 20%. So, and then at 11 a.m. is 10%. So, okay, which one would I work? I'd rather get the 20%. Now, one caveat in this, Chris. You know how bonuses, surges, boosts, all these things are handled with upfront fares, right?
Mm-hmm. They're rolled in.
You see what's coming here?
I see a
10% here's your 20% boost
increase.
I'm just going to lower the base fare by 20%.
Yeah. So I see it being either the same as what it normally would be, or maybe like truly just a 5% increase.
Possibly.
But for those who want to know how it works, I mean, really just check your planner, plan it out, and you're going to see when it's going to be on or in your area. I mean, like I said, I think this is a good time when you're at least able to see when you should be going out to help take advantage of extra pay, whether it's 10, 20%, maybe they'll do something more. And it's just going to be more money in your pocket. Hopefully is the key word being there, though, when it comes down to, being included in base fares. So hopefully a true 20% or a true 10% in addition. So if that $10 fare really becomes 12 instead of, 10.48, I hope that's good. But yeah, I mean, whenever you can see times like this, you can plan your day a lot better. So, I mean, if you're seeing like Wednesday, January 3rd, you're seeing 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you're planning to go out during those times, or if you're planning to go out in the morning and, maybe you were not normally going out on Wednesday, maybe on Wednesday you'd want to go out. So, I mean, like I say, I think this could be a potentially good thing when it comes down to trying to plan your day.
Yeah, I think, look, I think it's a good incentive, right? I mean, 20% is 20%, as long as they're not shaving the base fare. So somebody did a trip and sent it to me, or, I mean, I don't know if they did the trip, but this is what the ping screen is going to look like. So 38 minutes for $21.63, including the 20% bonus. Now, without the 20% bonus, this probably would have been less than probably 18, right? Somewhere in that range. And 3.1 miles to pick up, 8 minutes to pick up, and 30 minutes for the trip at 15.8. So combined is about 19 miles for 21, about $1.20 a mile. Okay, some people look at $1 a mile. And this guy is in priority mode, so that means he gets a discount, that 15% discount. Remember, we talked about that priority mode? You get more pings. You get more pings per hour if you accept a 15% discount. So this is kind of washing itself out. But look, I would probably do that trip. I mean, 21.63. 38 minutes. Yeah, it may get to maybe grab another shorty, maybe $7-8 one, maybe get up to $30 an hour. I think that's from Boston. Yeah, I mean, this is the new deal. So now I don't know if these turbocharge, what is this? Turbo boosts? What is it? Something like that.
Turbo bonus? I don't know.
Turbo boost. Okay.
I think it's just I think it's just turbo, really, and it's
turbo?
just like a
Okay.
bonus. So
So
we'll just
I'm
call it
thinking
turbo
maybe,
bonus.
yeah, maybe this turbo is given to certain tiers. I haven't seen it in LA. Okay, I don't know. But if you're platinum, maybe you get more turbo hours than me or something. I don't know. But hey, don't knock it. 20% is 20%. In this day and age, we can get all the help we can. That's about it.
Yep.
Turbo turbo lag.
Turbo.
Yeah, it's not. It's like
Oh yeah. So I mean, like I say, it's definitely a good planning tool, especially if it's going to be a few days out. That way, then you can plan out your day. You know, 3Ps. One of them is planning, so it helps with that. And anytime you have that type of information, instead of, you know, one of the things is just like surge pricing. You know, that's in the moment. That's what's going on at the time. So those types of things. No. If you have a nice turbo car, if you have a nice turbo powered car, and you know it's got some horsepower behind it, when that turbo kicks in, you're going like 20 psi. You know, it's pushing you back. It's gonna put you back in the seat. But if you don't know what a turbo is, or if you haven't felt it, or if you get like a Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter engine with a little mini turbo that's like not even a real turbo, and you're doing 160 horse and you're going no, that's not a real turbo. You want something that's going to put you in the back of your seat.
Yeah, put those eyes in the back of your head.
Yeah. I mean, 10% is driving that friggin' that Chevy Cruze around with a little turbo. I want something like 50%.
You know, and whatever these companies do at the moment, Chris, nobody's going to be happy about it. Like if they go, okay, tomorrow everybody gets Seattle rates, people are going to go like, oh, fuck, that's too low.
I know, right? Like somebody will find something to complain about. Well, you know, why can't it be more? What the hell?
Yeah, $1.50 a mile, 64 cents a minute.
Or you know, what about the last 4 years that I've been driving that it was under those rates?
What about that reaming I got the last 4 years? It's not gonna make up. I'm like, bro, like whatever these companies can do. Do you see this Uber and Lyft? Do you see why you created here? You created nothing but anger.
Well, we talked about it. We talked about it last week.
Bullshit. This is it right here. There you go.
We talked about that last week. You're creating a negative ecosystem. You got to increase that ecosystem in something positive, and who knows, maybe things can change.
I've never seen an industry that people are more negative about what they do, bro. I'm telling you, those surveys, 58 to 59% of all of you gave them 1 stars, and there were like a couple thousand votes on each. Uber, Lyft,
yes, Listen to the community. We covered that.
Shit, forget your Kool-Aid drinkers over there. It's not working. You guys should hire me, actually. You know, I'd be like a head of liaison, Uber driver liaison. And I'll fix shit for you guys like in a week. You know what I mean? Because this is bullshit.
Well, hold on. The perception, let's be real, is probably going to take a long time to fix. There's a lot of sour people, and they have open wounds, and Uber and Lyft like to put the salt on the wound over time and time again. So it's going to take a long time to try to correct that ship. Let's be real. But the reality is it could happen. And as I said last week, you know, a happy driver is going to lead to a better passenger experience. And if that's what you want is better passenger experiences, you want the driver to be happy. If you're not going to allow the driver to be happy because you're squeezing the shit out of them when regarding the pay, this is when you're going to start seeing crappier cars. You're going to see less happy drivers. You're going to see, you know, all these things that are going to happen. And then, you know, when you're literally priming yourself to be the next Blockbuster, to be the next taxi cab. You're priming yourself to be overtaken. When somebody comes in and is going to do right by drivers and make a better driver experience as well as a passenger experience, you are going to lose every single driver you have. You're going to have passengers who are going to go to that and they're going to be like, oh, wow, this is a really good experience. I'm going to, again, go back to that. So you're just shooting yourselves in your own foot soon. So
we'll have news coming up on that, Chris. Disruptors will be disrupted. We did this a year ago with Teleport, and we didn't even know it existed. And we did it. We talked about it. I'm going to have the CEO of Teleport on when he's ready. And I texted him last week. He says, we'll be ready in a week or two. You got to stay tuned. That could revolutionize shit. I'm telling you, people, all these troubles will be over. But stay tuned for that. That's why we have like a banger January, banger February coming up. Yeah, Turbo. So look, perception is reality. People's perception of these companies are horrible. Okay, horrible. And yeah, it's going to take time to build that trust, if ever. Yeah.
So. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.